Hi guys, just a little garden update. Today is July 10th, 2023, and some things are growing in the bathtub raised bed. And then we have these two beautiful sunflowers over here in my milpa. Some pretty vines over here. The milpa is actually our garden, and well, that one too, but it's not quite ready apparently. We have a lot of critters that still get through the fence and eat everything that grows, hence the bathtub raised bed. It's monsoon, so we're getting some rains finally. This is the other view. Small garden in Tucson, Arizona.